I welcome you once again to another module. This is module 3 of the KSK Studios free training, or what I also refer to as my birthday giveaway. This is the homepage of Canva, and I just go straight to the point by clicking on this plus sign on my right hand side. It asks me to choose a size, and whatever size suits me. Let's make do with WhatsApp story. It doesn't mean I have to put it on WhatsApp story, but it just means that the size suits what I have in mind. Okay, so I have to always add that plus button on my right hand side is our major button. Add a text. Maybe I have a custom text of my own, or I want to use ready-made Canva template text. Okay, so let me start with this. This is free from KSK. I wanted to write X again. KXK Studios. All right. So mark OK. You can change the fonts, can change the size and the color. All right. So mark OK. You can align right, align left, align center, bold, italics, all caps. All right. Remove. Spacing. You can decide to space it more, some more. Okay. Or line. All right. Now, I won't do more than this on this so that we can go on to something else. All right. So always make sure your space is uniform. Okay. So this is free from KSK Studios. Right. Okay, let me delete this. Then we'll go on to the next type of text. Then we can spend some time. Add again text. Now we want to choose from our custom templates. Okay. Let's use this. Now let's have to ungroup, and then let's type this is, mark it okay, increase font size, and then free training. Okay, so from mark okay and increase size. Last one, can change it to KSK Studios. Mark OK, then increase size. All right, so we have to carry it and make sure it's in space management. Don't forget that is compulsory. All your spaces must be uniform around. Okay, so and then this is about text. You can change the colors. Because KSK is orange, I will add orange. I can also change this to orange and leave the rest on black. All right, so this is text. I can rotate it if I want, if that is what suits my design. I can rotate it if that is what I want. Right, I can make it transparent if I don't want it to be too obvious. All right, I go to the more options and make it transparent, but that's not what I want for this class. So let's bring undo. Okay, so this is text. Let's quickly go on to shapes. I come back to add. My shape is under illustration. I can add shapes. It gives me different types of shapes. Now let's say I add this, something like this. I can change the color to black. I can make it transparent so that it doesn't clash with my design. Obviously it's on top. I have to order it down, take it down by coming to the more options up here and then take it down. So it goes down. I can increase it to fill the page as my background, right? So it fills the page as my background. I can enlarge it to fill the page as my background. That's fine. All right, so I can still add more shapes, illustration. No, sorry, I wanted to add shapes. You can search whatever you want, but I'm not searching for now. So I can add another shape. Okay, right. So that way I can arrange it very well, very well. Hope this helps you while you're doing your stuff too. Okay, so then I can duplicate this shape if I want. I can duplicate it, and take it up. Take it up also to maintain a balance in my design. Okay, so it's what I have. This is free training. Then I can decide the third one to round off this module is icons. Let me click on this, and then I go back to my illustration. I can type it, say Instagram search. Okay, so I had it straight. It gives me this. Then I put my Instagram handle. I can duplicate this, bring it down, and type my handle, kxkstudios. Okay, just one button is missing there. Just one letter is missing. ksk_s. Okay, so that's what we have like that. It's good to reduce the size now because it looks going out of the page. Then reduce this also, probably bring it up again until it looks fine. Okay, so this is all about text. We can still add more text, especially if you are changing shapes. Yeah, illustration and text and shapes, sorry. So let's add which one? Anyone. Feel free to play around and experiment with all the kind of text you can find in this place. Make sure you do it creatively and you will be surprised at what you can do. Let me add just one more. This is a circle, and bring it somewhere here. Maybe like this, and then maybe this. All right, but it makes no meaning to me. Can bring it here and make it gray. I think that makes some meaning. I can add colors and maybe this. Okay, I think this makes some meaning. Okay, so as usual, when you are done, download your stuff. This is fine. This is what you can do with shapes, texts, and icons. You can also get a Facebook icon if you want. Please feel free to play around with it and let's see what you can come up with. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Kayo.